Okay, for those who don't know, there's a case that fits the DJI Fpv pretty well. It's the LowePro DS300, I believe it's 300. And the nice thing about it is you can fit the drone in there with the props on it. I have it figured out. I saw this on another website, so I can't take credit for it, but you can see how the drone fits in there with the props. And it's pretty secure. Remote control and the goggles. This doesn't go over the goggles, but that's okay. Got a place up here for the props. And you got kind of put your cords in right here, so it's a pretty good case. And pretty secure. Use the strap here. Strap it in. It's not going to shake around too much. It's a hard case though, it's not a soft case. This is pretty hard. And it's pretty secure. So it's the LowePro CS300 case. And I got this on Amazon. Good luck. And more videos to follow on flying.